The way these off-grid USB 3 data blockers work is they only allow power to pass through them, while USB-C is designed to allow both power and data to flow through the cables so that your phone or your device can move information across. These have essentially the wires cut on everything except for the power. This way you can comfortably charge your phone at a public spot or with someone else's charger, knowing that there's no way for any data to get through, only the power. Very easy to use, no-brainer security layer when you're traveling, or even for that matter in town if you're using anyone else's chargers, just as a matter of precaution.